A new video of actor Sudha Chandran has gone viral on social media, leaving many viewers shocked and confused. The clip shows the well-known actress in a highly agitated and emotional state, and it has sparked intense discussion online. This incident did not take place on a film or television set. According to reports, the video was recorded during a Mata Ki Chauki, a devotional gathering. Sudha Chandran, who was recently seen in Nagin, is seen attending a bhajan when the situation appears to escalate. In the footage, Sudha seems overwhelmed and difficult to control. She appears to be in a trance-like state as people around her try to calm her down. During the commotion, she allegedly tries to bite some of those attempting to restrain her. Several attendees step in to help, including Anupma actress Jasveer Kaur, who is seen trying to hold her and bring the situation under control. Some devotees present at the gathering suggested that Sudha Chandran was spiritually affected during the prayer. A few believe she was possessed by the goddess during the devotional moment. This belief has led many supporters online to post comments like Jai Mata Di, expressing faith and devotion. However, not everyone agrees with this explanation. Many social media users are urging caution and sensitivity. Some viewers have questioned why such moments are recorded and shared online at all. One user wrote that devotional gatherings are meant for peace, not public display. Others openly dismissed the idea of divine possession, calling the incident exaggerated or staged. A few expressed concern that Sudha may have been emotionally distressed rather than spiritually affected. Comments discussing her mental well-being have also surfaced, with people urging empathy instead of judgment. The video has clearly divided opinion. While some defend the incident as an act of deep devotion, others see it as troubling and unnecessary to circulate online. As the clip continues to spread, many are calling for respect, privacy, and a more thoughtful conversation around faith, mental health, and social media responsibility. For now, the video remains viral, and reactions continue to pour in from all sides. Bollywood star Deepika Padukone has turned 40 today, and the actress is celebrating this special milestone with love, gratitude, and her fans. While Deepika is currently in New York with her husband Ranveer Singh and their family, pictures and videos from a special pre-birthday celebration have now surfaced online and are winning hearts. Last month, on 18th December 2025, Deepika hosted a private fan meet in Mumbai to celebrate her birthday and Christmas with fans from across the country. The event was titled A Day of Gratitude with Deepika Padukone, and it was nothing short of magical. Photos and videos shared by fans show Deepika happily cutting a huge chocolate cake as fans sang for her. She looked radiant in a plum-colored sweater paired with matching pants. Several moments captured her warmly interacting with fans and posing for pictures, making the gathering feel intimate and personal. A fan page shared inside glimpses from the event, revealing beautiful Christmas-themed decorations. The venue featured a large Christmas tree adorned with Polaroids, a lavish spread of Indo-Western food, and delicious desserts. Deepika also cut a 3-tier chocolate cake and even played bingo with her fans, adding a fun touch to the celebration. What truly stood out was how far Deepika went to make her fans feel special. She arranged flight tickets for fans traveling from different cities and even provided airport pickups. Upon arrival, fans received a heartfelt welcome note that read, "Thank you for taking the time and making the journey today. I look forward to seeing you soon." Fans were also gifted thoughtful hampers, calling the day an experience of a lifetime. Deepika spent quality time with them, chatting, laughing, and clicking pictures, leaving everyone overwhelmed with joy. Meanwhile, Deepika is now celebrating her 40th birthday in New York with Ranveer Singh. The couple also rang in Christmas and New Year 2026 in the city. On the work front, Deepika has exciting projects lined up. She will next be seen in Shah Rukh Khan's King and Italy's much-awaited pan-India film with Allu Arjun. From heartfelt fan moments to big-screen blockbusters, Deepika Padukone is clearly celebrating 40 with grace, gratitude, and grandeur. 2025 ended on a deeply emotional note for Hema Malini. The legendary actor lost her husband, Dharmendra, on 24 November, a loss that has left a void impossible to fill. As 2026 begins, Hema Malini is slowly returning to work and trying to find her footing again. In a heartfelt conversation, the veteran actress opened up about grief, memories, and the strength it takes to move forward after losing a lifelong companion. It was a companionship that stood the test of time, Hema Malini says, reflecting on her relationship with Dharmendra. Speaking about the shock of his passing, she shares, "It was an inconsolable shock. It has been terrible because for a month we were struggling when he was not well. We were constantly trying to cope with whatever was happening in the hospital. We were all there, I, Isha, Ahana, Sunny, Bobby, all together." She recalls how hopeful the family remained during his illness. In the past, there had been instances when he went to the hospital and came back home fine. "We thought is baar bhi aa jayenge. He was talking to us nicely. On my birthday, 16th October, he even wished me. Plans were already underway to celebrate Dharmendra's 90th birthday on 8th December. The preparations were on, and then suddenly, he was not there. To personally see him sink was very difficult. Nobody should have to go through this kind of situation." Hema Malini also addressed the media speculation and viral content that surfaced during this painful time. "There is so much content that I am seeing where there are videos of me crying, and my eyes look sore and red. I request people not to fall for all this." She explains how such content worries her loved ones. "After seeing such things, my fans and friends are sending me sympathetic messages, asking me to be strong. But I am a very strong person. I keep my emotions to myself." Drawing strength from past loss, she adds, "When my mother passed away 20 years ago, I wondered whether I would be able to live without her, but I did. This is what life teaches us. Time doesn't wait for anybody." Hema Malini also addressed speculations around separate prayer meets for Dharmendra and skipping the one organized by Sunny and Bobby. "Ye हमारे घर का personal मामला है. We talk to each other. I kept one prayer meet at my home because my group of people are different. Then, I kept one in Delhi because I am in politics, and it was important for me to keep a prayer meeting there for my friends from that field. Mathura is my constituency, and the people there are mad about him. So, I kept a prayer meeting there as well. I am happy with what I did," she said. Even in grief, Hema Malini remains resolute. "We miss Dharamji every minute," she says, reminding herself and her daughters of the importance of keeping his memories alive in their hearts. Mahi Veej recently took to social media to share a series of cryptic posts that have caught the attention of many, especially following the announcement of her divorce from actor Jay Bhanushali. The heartfelt messages seem to reflect her emotions during this challenging phase and offer insight into her mindset. Among the posts, Mahi shared touching words like, "I love people that love my kids. They have a special place in my heart forever." Another post read, "Be the reason why people believe in beautiful souls, kind hearts and good energy. Never stop being a good person." And a third one expressed a more somber reflection, "You will end up really disappointed if you think people will do for you as you do for them." These posts came shortly after Mahi and Jai jointly announced their decision to part ways after years of marriage. In a statement, they said, "Today, we choose to part ways on a journey called life, yet we continue to have each other's back. Peace, growth, kindness, and humanity have always been our guiding values. For the sake of our children, Tara, Khushi, and Rajveer, we commit to being the best parents, the best friends, and whatever else it takes to do what is right for them." The couple was clear to emphasize that their separation is free from negativity. Jai added, "Though we walk separate paths, there is no villain in this story and no negativity attached to this decision. Before any conclusions are drawn, please know that we choose peace over drama and sanity above all else." They further stated, "We continue to respect one another, support one another, and remain friends, as we always have been. With mutual respect, we ask for your respect, love, and kindness as we move forward." Mahi Vij and Jai Bhanushali. Mahi Vij and Jai Bhanushali tied the knot in 2011 and are proud parents to 3 children, daughter Tara, born in 2019, and foster children Rajveer and Khushi, whom they welcomed into their family in 2017. Despite their decision to separate, both actors have made it clear that their primary focus is on peace, respect, and co-parenting their children with love. Their mature and thoughtful approach highlights that even after parting ways, respect and friendship can endure. Fans have responded with messages of support, appreciating the couple's honesty and dedication to maintaining harmony for the sake of their family. Mahi's cryptic posts now resonate deeply, reflecting both the pain and strength in this new chapter of their lives.